Chilling with Jay Frost.
What up, what up?
Me.
Let me charge my phone.
White Widow, 480, Young Bucks. Cottonwood Productions. You know what it is.
What up? Jay Frost, aka Haircut Tomorrow, aka Still Fresh, aka Frosted. You know. And is this in the view of the camera, Nathan? You know what this is right here? This is a for rent book with apartments in it, but you know we don't even talk about that because we don't rent apartments, we buy them. Because we're bowling Jim Jones status.
So we ain't gonna get slept by someone in Junior Mafia.
Let's not even touch on that, you know what I'm saying? Because I was right there next to the dude, you know what I'm saying? Dunn was crazy. Duke was crazy nuts. Duke was crazy.
You stupid. Oh shit.
Yeah, this is gonna take too long. I'm charging my phone. I'm about to talk to all these motherfucking engineers and A&Rs all day and shit. It's rough. It's real rough. Being black out here in America, it's hard. Hard. H-O-R-D.
You're gonna get a shot.
Only black people get shot. Holla. It's funny.
Okay. Let's hear some shit you wrote, Josh.
No, all bullshit aside. I got some new shit. They say Frost don't do it, but I got a flag. Throwing up that YB white green, yeah, I got a rag. See, I bang money, plus I got a lot of swag. Ain't a thing, honey, stash your guap inside the product bag. Yeah, we hustle hard and shut the club down. Fuck the bar, we getting drunk now. Outside in the parking lot, smoking, that's the bass night. Listening to some J Rock and Nazy where they stay hot. They not in the league we in. Better switch your game plan. They can do it like I can, but I can do it like they can. I am one in a million, told you not to fuck with the team. Squad so diverse it hurts when we jump in the scene. Sick to their stomach, I think they about to throw up, hater. YB is what I throw up, hater. Grow up, haters. Middle finger to the sky, cause I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I'm in it till I die, so I'ma live it up. So Frost act cool, I don't listen to him. Why you fibbing lies? I'm living life, watch me give it to him. Superstar status, asked to go and interview him. Frost magic with the flow, I'm going inner tubing. Your bitch pick and choosing, yeah I stick to moving. They new to this, I've been doing this since the Knicks and Ewing. Check that, that was a long time ago. The Knicks just lost them, you know. Nah, but that's some new shit coming up possibly. I didn't know you was gonna put me on the spot and rap. I didn't know.
Come on, now you're a rapper. I got a camera.
I'm a poet.
Poet, rapper, poet, actor.
We should restart it. I know what we do. Or don't restart it. Stop it, mother.